Page 37, the jet plane. In this piece, they're introducing the flat sign at the beginning of the staff rather than in the measure. They're putting it in the key signature. We've already had one sharp in a key signature. That was for G major. Memorize that. G major, one sharp. If you go do the scale video on G major and you learn it, it'll help you to remember how many sharps or flats are in the scale. Because you'll know. You'll be able to quickly mentally go through that scale and, oh, okay, I got it. Well, in one flat, this key is F major. So go do my scale video, the beginner part, one octave up and down like I explained in the video for F major. And that will teach you the fingering and all that junk. So if you look here, you see the flats at the beginning. Where they place these on the staff is important. You'll see them in those spots, like in the treble clef. That B flat, that flat sign is on the middle line. Well, if a note is on the middle line, it's a B. So they're telling you all B's in the piece are going to be flatted in that staff. In the bottom staff, that flat sign is on the next to the bottom line. That's a B. That's where the note B would be. B would be. And again, that's telling you all B's in that staff throughout the piece are going to be flat. Now, there's other B's in the staff, but that's the one chosen. It doesn't, I mean, there's a reason that's chosen I don't really want to get into right now. It's just because we're getting off the point. It just know that these sharps and flats, when they're put at the beginning of a staff, are in a particular place. You just can't put them anywhere. It's like the clef signs. Those are in a particular place. You can't just stick them in. Now, a lot of people I see do that. They'll draw that treble clef sign anywhere. They'll just draw it. And that's actually incorrect. Because that circle of the treble clef sign, that part, the curly in the middle, that has to be centered on the next to the bottom line, because that's where a G is. That's what this is doing, is telling you where the G is on the staff. That's a G clef or a treble clef. And so if you're going to draw one, make sure that that circle part down on the bottom is centered around that next to the bottom line. Well, it's like the bass clef. Those two dots are centered around an F, the next to the top line. That's an F. That's where the note F is. And they have to be there because it's showing you where the F is. If I show you where one note is, you can figure out all the others. That's the idea. We'll cover it in more detail as time goes on. I just give you a little bit here and there. See, if you had a piano teacher and they were giving you a lesson and you have these things, they would actually tell you all this kind of stuff in the lesson. They would add this extra stuff to the lesson. And if you don't have a teacher, you wouldn't get any of this. You'd only get what the book presents you when the book chose to present it to you. That's another reason to have a teacher. Well, if you don't have a teacher, I'm it. I'm sorry about that, but I'm it. So they're just putting the flat signs in the key signature, which means all B's in the piece are flat. So you look around, are there any B's? Well, in the first line, there are not. In the second line, there is a B in the first measure in the left hand. So you have a G and a B. Well, instead of a B, it's a B flat automatic. And two measures later, same thing. So those are B flats, automatic. Let's try this together slowly. Go ahead and learn it so you can play it. And then come back and play it with me. You can check to make sure you have the right notes and the right rhythms. So I'm going to give us 4 counts since it's in 4/4 time. Let your middle C position, except you finger on a B flat. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4.